Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check other members in Microsoft Teams. This is a really useful feature when you need to see who's part of your team, verify member roles, or simply keep track of who has access to your shared workspace. Let's walk through this together step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your organization or workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Teams interface where all your collaboration happens. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation panel with several options. From these options, click on Teams. This section is where all your different teams are organized, whether they're project-based, department-focused, or any other grouping your organization uses. Clicking here gives you a clear view of all the teams you're currently a member of. Next, you need to select the specific team where you want to check the member list. This is important because each team can have different members with different roles and permissions. Simply click on the team name you're interested in. This opens up that team's workspace and gives you access to its settings. Here's where it gets interesting. Beside the team name, you'll notice 3 dots. These dots represent additional options and settings for that particular team. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several management options. From this menu, click on Manage Teams. This action takes you to a dedicated management interface where you can control various aspects of your team's setup. Once the management page loads, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs that organize different management features. On the top, click Members. This tab is specifically designed to show you everyone who has access to this team. When you click it, you'll be able to see a complete list of all team members along with their roles, whether they're owners, members, or guests. And that's it. You now have full visibility into who's part of your Microsoft Teams workspace, making it easier to manage collaboration and ensure the right people have access to your team's resources. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.